Good morning. It is a bright and beautiful Saturday here in Seoul, and we are at Medi Tower to go up to the 12th floor to go to GD Plastic Surgery and Skin Clinic. As we are here, thanks to Seoul Guide Medical, who helped set this whole thing up. They helped set up the appointment. They're gonna bring a translator in here for us and take care of all our aftercare procedures. So thank you to them for helping us out with this, and I am here to go get some stuff done.
And we're just right outside of Gangnam Station, exit 12, so super easy to get to, like literally right.
It's right there. Yeah. You see it? There it is. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we are here at the GD Plastic Surgery and Skin Clinic. So Seoul Guide Medical provides translation care, so you are all set with that. Again, I want to thank Seoul Guide Medical for really taking care of everything for me every step of the way throughout this process. It is my first time, so I'm a little nervous, but everything will be fine. Hey guys, we're here with our friend Tony.
Hello.
And today he's gonna help me explain exactly what's going on, what am I getting, what are the results, basically, how do I look better than this afterwards.
So she already looks great, but if you want to make your face a little bit tighter, she's going to try something today that I do, which is a HIFU treatment called Shurink. Shrink sends ultrasonic electrical impulses into your skin and down deep into the tissue, and it basically lifts and tightens, and at the same time helps you to produce more collagen. So for the next 3 months, you're going to be producing more collagen, which is just going to make your face look a little bit younger and healthier. And immediately she's going to see some results. So what it does is it tightens your V-line up right here, so you get a nice line, and also it hits the double chin area because we're going to do this part of the neck. This treatment is completely safe to do. There's not much downside. You do it with topical anesthesia, so we're just going to put topical anesthesia on her face. She's going to wait 20 to 30 minutes and the treatment will start.
Well, how long would the whole process take from start to finish?
So it depends on the number of shots that you do. Each kind of press that the doctor does is a shot. So usually shots of shrink go up to about 400 shots, so 400 shots should be the maximum. And
it sounds like a lot of shots.
It's a lot of shots, yeah. It normally takes anywhere up to 15, 20, 25 minutes. It really depends on how many times you say stop and I need a break. But usually people don't, they just kind of hang in there.
Yeah, no pain, no gain.
Yeah, it's a little bit painful, but it's so worth it. If you do this area, it's not so painful, but closer here where you have kind of, you know, less material on the inside, it gets a little bit tricky, but it's doable. I do it every year.
And what should we expect for the post-aftercare?
There is no post-aftercare. You're pretty much free to go. Some people get a little bit red on their face, people with sensitive skin, but usually people just go. The next day you're fine. You don't need any aftercare at home, but when you do the treatment here, we give you aftercare. Because without the aftercare in the clinic, your face may be a little bit red, or especially it's hot. It gets hot after because you're sending ultrasonic electrical impulses. So we give you aftercare rejuvenation treatment, which usually consists of a mask pack and rejuvenation laser light therapy. That gets you home. But at home, you don't need any aftercare.
Okay. That's great. You can just get it all done here and then walk out, and then I can have the rest of my day to edit this video.
You can do half courses or full courses, but honestly, only the full course is really effective. People who do half courses, the effect is just not that great. So do the full course, and then it'll go around your face and hit the neck area as well.
I agree. Go big or go home, guys. Guys, this is my before. Ready?
Okay, remember
this.
what this looks like. She's gonna be snatched when she comes out. Okay, there we go.
Wow, you're gonna get all my angles today. I don't have makeup on, so this is great. I love it.
That's fine.
Yeah, so remember this. This is the before. I'm excited for the immediate results after.
And let's do front face. They just said it's going to like pull up the sides to make more of a V-line shape. So we will see.
That's very exciting. Oh my god, that's too close.
Oh, there's the doctor. Okay.
It's going to take about 10 minutes or so.
Oh, you get a HIFU.
It's a HIFU.
감으시고 close your mouth. And I'm gonna apply cool gel on your face. So some parts of your face can feel very sensitively, and others may not. It depends on how your nerves are spread on your face. Do you feel any heating sensation on your face?
A little.
A little? Yeah, that's a sign of it's working.
Done with the shrink.
How does it look?
It does look tight.
We're just gonna apply a little bit more of the numbing cream on your lips before doing the filler, okay?
Before we continue, check out soulguidemedical.com after watching this video for more information.
So I'll explain a bit about the aftercare after the filler. So you'll have a bit of swelling and there might be a small bruise just from the injection site. And afterwards you have to be careful not to massage too much, and you have to avoid applying some kind of heat to your face. So please try to avoid like the sweaty exercise or going to the steam room or the sauna for around 2 weeks.
Here we go. Yeah. Filler is getting in. How was it? Is it okay? So once again.
It'll go down later, right?
Yeah, it's gonna shrink a little bit in a couple of days, like 4 to 5 days. During the time, you won't have to eat some spicy or hot food, or laughing out loud too much, or talking too much. Anything that uses your lips much.
Alright, we're finished. How was it?
It was good. He did 0.5 on this side, and there are parts of it where he said, depending on where your nerves are spread out, it hurts a little bit more. So maybe around my jawline, it was like a slightly more uncomfortable, but it wasn't ever very painful. And then this side, because this side went really well, he went up 0.1, and you could feel the strength difference between the two. But honestly, it really wasn't that bad, and I just I think maybe the key point is to keep your mind working a little bit. So I would just keep counting how many shots to get my mind off what was happening. But overall, it actually wasn't painful. The hippo helped. Definitely get the hippo, guys. And then for this, actually, I think because I did this first, this really didn't feel like anything. I was just chilling. And he did a good job. He massaged it. It was like getting a whole lip massage. But now, I don't know, it feels fine. It's a little numb here, I think because of the numbing cream. But
your face isn't really red either.
is it?
No,
Okay,
it's a
we'll
chin
test.
test.
Did I do it from the front or the side?
Both.
Okay.
It is less.
Oh my god, you can
It's
feel
a lot
it. It
less.
feels really tight, honestly, guys.
Wait, one more time.
That's crazy. This is actually a big complex of mine when I take photos.
Nothing.
And don't think I'm like not pulling. This is like me fully double chinning. It's magic. I want to again give a big shout out to Soul Guide Medical, our friend Tony, Medina, and Jeannie Ann, because they really made this whole process so seamless. I want to give a big thank you to them for setting all this up and for just making sure I felt comfortable and guided. Their job is to connect everybody with all the amazing clinic services here in Korea. So definitely check them out and give them some love. And then keep watching because I'm gonna give you the updates on this situation in the next few days. Hey guys, it's Sunday. I wanted to give this the full day rest, but basically everything is still intact. I don't have any makeup on, so this is just my face, all natural. As you can see, my lips have gone down in terms of swelling. There's no real bruises either. You can see the small incisions, but that will go away. It just feels a little bit, still a little poofy and sensitive, and so I'm trying not to do too much today. I wasn't trying to talk a lot or anything, and I've been drinking with a straw everywhere because I just don't really want to engage with it too much as of yet, but I think tomorrow it will be much more natural of a feeling. And then in terms of this lifting, this feels super tight still, honestly. Actually, if you touch it, the skin feels tighter. It feels very lifted. Like last night I had a whole schedule right after, so I was very much just active among my day. They said that it'll probably look even better once the swelling goes down, so I'm really excited about that. And we'll see how tomorrow goes. Good morning, it is Monday, and this is what it looks like, guys. My lips are quite puffy, and my neck is still intact. My V-line is shaping up. It's a little bit sore here still. Like if I press it, it just feels a little bit tight, which is a good thing. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Day 3. It's Tuesday, and the swelling has gone down significantly, so it's really starting to get there. And I think this is very close to what the final pout will be, which is like a very natural pout, which is what I asked for. But yeah, looking good, guys. Hey guys, it's been well over 2 weeks since the procedure, and I just wanted to give you guys the final update. My neck and skin still feel really great. It doesn't feel as tight, super tight as the initial few days, obviously, but the elasticity on my skin is very apparent, and everything still feels very lifted. And I think just the overall result has been amazing. My skin has never looked better. And in terms of my lips, well, I think the doctor did exactly what I requested, which is just a more natural pout to my lips, and they feel right now very natural, as if these had always been my lips. And I just think the doctor did a really great job, so highly recommend. It has been so great taking you on this journey with me, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Seoul is the capital of plastic surgery, skin, dental, vision correction, and other medical treatments. Seoul Guide Medical is here to find you the best doctors, the best procedures, and take care of you from start to finish. Contact us at consult@soulguidemedical.com for a free consultation with our specialists. Let us take care of everything and create a customized treatment plan that is right for you. We help you with airport pickup, accommodations, in-clinic translations, aftercare, and hold your hand every step of the way. Visit our website at soulguidemedical.com for more information. Seoul Guide Medical. Happy patients, always.